Right here are some projects some of my students at school built. These little trucks and things here. I just told them that they needed to build a small project. I wasn't going to help them with it. They had to design it and build it and come up with everything on their own. And some took more pride in it than others, but they all turned out pretty good. And I was pleased with it. This next project here coming up is a trailer that it was a utility trailer, had sides all the way around it. And we laid those sides, cut the sides off, laid them down to widen it out to haul side by side on, and built drive-over fenders and widened the tailgate, and it turned out pretty good. Auto body painted it, and I don't know if he's tried it out yet, but he said it pulled good and empty. Right here's a trailer that we built heavy-duty fenders on. The fenders that was on it had rusted off, and we rebuilt the fenders and straightened up a little bit on it and worked on the ramps and stuff on this trailer. Here's a Chevrolet truck frame that had rusted in two, and you can see where we welded some straps on the sides. We had to take the bed off. It started folding and collapsing. The frame was broke right there. And once we got the bed off, we stripped it down, took the gas tank off, cut the frame off right behind the bin, behind the cab, and then here's some pictures showing us rebuilding the frame back, and it worked out really good. Got it all tied back in together good, and there's a final picture here in a second. Right here's the finished product. The only thing we liked here was putting the gas tank back in it and the bed on, but he got it stickered and turned out real good. Well, Donald brought this drum mower up to us just a little while ago, and we're gonna put it in the shop this winter and check it out for him. Got some work to do to it. He bought it off a guy that it tore up on him, and he just decided to go buy him a new one. Never did get it fixed, and got a real good deal on it, I feel like. I think we can get it fixed up in good shape. We'll shoot a little more footage on this as we're working on it.